Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
You start in Settings because the quickest route is App Management. Open Settings, then Apps or Apps and Notifications. Locate Google and Camera apps. This is where Lens integrates. Once done, tap the three-dot menu to show System apps because Lens may be bundled. Make sure to note whether Lens appears as a standalone app or a Lens feature inside Google or Camera. This distinction determines whether you disable a single app or adjust permissions and defaults in another app. Now you act on permissions and defaults to stop Lens from activating. In Google, revoke camera, location, and microphone permissions. This prevents Lens from accessing inputs. If Lens is listed as an app, uninstall updates, then disable. That rolls it back and prevents restarts. Once done, open your camera app settings and turn off any Google Lens or visual search toggle, and clear camera defaults by selecting Open by default and choosing Clear Defaults. Finish by restarting the phone so system services register the changes, then test the camera to confirm Lens is gone. If Lens returns after updates, go back to Settings Apps Google, clear cache and storage, and reinstall updates only if you re-enable features intentionally. Make sure automatic updates are off in the Play Store for Google if you want persistent removal. Troubleshooting tip: if Lens persists, install a trusted third-party camera app and set it as the default, which bypasses integrated Lens behavior.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.